How to make YouTube thumbnail in Picsart. Want to grab viewers' attention in YouTube? Let's design a bold thumbnail using Picsart. Start by opening a blank canvas. Set the dimensions to 1280 into 720 pixel, the official YouTube thumbnail size. Now upload your main photo or background image. Use remove background if needed to isolate a subject. Next, click text and add bold, eye-catching titles. Use high contrast fonts and large sizes to make the text pop. Add elements like arrows, emojis, or stickers to point to key parts of your thumbnail. Adjust the color, shadows, and composition for balance. Then click export and save in JPG or PNG format. What's your YouTube channel about? Let us know in the comments below. Use 2 or 3 main colors and avoid clutters. Thumbnails need to look good even when tiny. And that's how you can make YouTube thumbnail in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.